Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Halloween leggings for plus-size women, the Sipaya Women's Brushed Christmas Halloween Ankle-Length Seasonal Printed Leggings. These leggings are designed to bring festive cheer and comfort all wrapped into one stylish package. From the moment you slip these leggings on, you'll notice the quality of the fabric. Made from a blend of 88% polyester and 12% spandex, they offer a perfect balance of stretch and softness. The material is thick enough to provide warmth and coverage, yet stretchy enough to move with you comfortably throughout your day or Halloween night festivities. The brushed texture adds a cozy feel that makes them great for cooler seasons. What makes these leggings stand out, especially for plus-size wearers, is the generous sizing range from S all the way to 3XL. The elastic waistband ensures a secure and flexible fit without digging into your skin, making these leggings practical and comfortable for extended wear. Whether you're pairing them with dresses, skirts, tunics, or sweaters, the ankle-length footless design is versatile and flattering. The design itself is festive and fun, featuring unique Halloween prints like pumpkins and ghosts that are vibrant and eye-catching without being overwhelming. The colors are rich and bold, perfect for adding a little seasonal flair to your wardrobe. These leggings aren't just for Halloween either. They transition well into Christmas and other festive occasions, making them a multi-seasonal wardrobe staple. Care is simple with these leggings. Hand wash or machine wash them cold and hang dry to maintain the softness and elasticity over time. Avoid bleach to keep those prints bright and fresh. Overall, the Sipaya Halloween leggings combine comfort, style, and inclusive sizing, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to celebrate the season in comfort and fashion. If you're hunting for plus-size leggings that embrace the festive spirit while keeping you cozy and confident, this product definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.